Yeah, here we go.
Woo!
Got some extended life batteries for the
accessories.
Yeah. Let's see what you got there. That's one of the 6 batteries we got. Yeah, intelligent. I don't remember what they're called. The TB48S. Yeah.
Ooh. The model number tells you everything about it.
That's right. It's like the bigger battery for the M600 here. So with our payload, we can get about half an hour or so, I would say. That's a guess. And we also ordered another charger because one thing I found last time I was in the field, having to do back-to-back-to-back flights, I couldn't charge enough batteries fast enough. Yeah, so here's our M600 right there. Got the Ronin MX gimbal underneath. It carries our hyperspectral camera and thermal camera. And soon it'll also carry our Velodyne Ultra Puck, if that ever gets ordered. Yeah. Is that the new one?
That is the new one.
Let me see it. There it is. Yeah. You can actually feel the weight difference from the other smaller batteries. But yeah, this one has like 1,200 more milliamp hours than the other one, I believe. I think the other one's 4,500. But it makes a huge difference when you got a. What's that?
You have like 6 of them.
Well, yeah, it makes a big difference when you gotta fly larger areas, like butt isn't as clenched the whole time. So it has the intelligent flight system here, DJI made. It shows you the battery level. It also flashes in different ways if it's out of the optimal temperature range, whether it's too cold, too hot, whatever. It also goes into like a storage mode after a certain amount of time not being used. So once we get all of these unboxed, we'll throw them on the charger and make sure they all charge up fully. Okay, got all our new batteries plugged in here. They were very low on the charge. Got our new charger set up here too. So we'll give those a little bit. So we've had these on charge now for a little while. I've used the stickers that come with the DJI M600. I label them because all of the different battery slots are labeled, and just in case something were to happen with that particular one, I could investigate further if necessary. But yeah, when they finish charging all the way, the lights go off, as you can see here, and then you can kind of check them all to make sure that they're indeed fully charged. Yeah, been pretty rushed to get a bunch of flights done. That's why it's kind of a mess, and I'm going to clean up here tomorrow. I got 3 more flights to do. So that was our unboxing video for the new M600 batteries and the charger we just got. Please stay tuned, subscribe, like the video. You'll see more content about the M600, the Mavic, LiDAR sensors we've got coming in. We've got hyperspectral and thermal, all sorts of fun things happening. So like, subscribe, stay tuned.